Hello, good evening. I was suffering from sciatica, so I come to Dr. Hardik Kalal, and due to sciatica, it was very difficult for me to walk, to sleep, and life had become very difficult. But doctor treated me so well. Now I am feeling good and I am feeling better. Moreover, last year after Corona, I was suffering from cough for more than 6 months back. My cough was not ready to stop, but Dr. Hardik Kalal finished my cough within 15 days. He's a fantastic and perfect doctor.
Thank you so much. Uh, I have one question for you. For your sciatica pain, I think first day you give me history, three-time painkiller,
Yeah.
analgesic tablet, allopathy treatment, and with this treatment, pain not control, and you can't walk easily, and
Yes.
you stand up with difficulty.
Yes.
And at now, our after our Ayurvedic Panchkarma treatment, what you feel?
I'm feeling fine. I'm feeling better now. Uh, Now I can do all kind of activities.
How much percentage you can get the result?
Uh, Result is very good. Result is 100%.
Okay, so in your pain, sciatica pain, you recover from almost nil.
Yes, yes. It's
Okay,
almost it's zero. It's fine.
yes. Thank you so much.